that they will accept explanations that logically would not, because the consequence is, now I've got to use military force. And the reality is I'm not willing to use that force. Appeasement. Okay. We've talked a bit about some of the concepts and the ways to take a look. Having created analytical tools, let's take a second to take a very short snapshot of North Korea today. What we're talking about, and again, enclosure 1 and 2, you see in the geography, it's about 120,000 square miles. That's about the size of Missouri. But only about 20% of it is arable. Arable, 50-cent word, meaning you can actually plant and grow stuff in it. This is enormously important. This is a place, and we'll see chronically, is short of food and is short of fuel, and in large part it's just because of serendipity. They live in a country that is mostly mountainous, and they don't have the resource. It will drive much of what they do and how they do it. The population is about 24 million. That's about half the size of South Korea. We will see as we play out in almost any area, South Korea, which was originally smaller and less capable than North Korea, is now 2 or 3 times more capable in almost any area you want to speak of, and that difference is growing, creating great sense of threat on the part of the Koreans. The political system. The political system has gone through 2 great transitions. One, early on in this time frame, 1994, when the original dictator, Kim Il-sung, you can, well, I don't have a picture of him, but you can see his son, Kim Jong-il, the current leader at enclosure 4. And this process then took it from what was a kind of a standard garden variety state-directed communist state into a military-directed communist state, and imposed a concept called Songun. Songun, Army First, is a description of this government now has transitioned from a standard communist government into, in essence, a military-dominant government that interacts in joint control with the dictatorship that runs the country. Right now,